am here with BoxyCharm for February. I pulled out some red for y'all. I'm not much on Valentines, but BoxyCharm is giving me all the vibes, so I wanted to do the best I could to pull out the little February moment. So, I have the base box from BoxyCharm. It is 5 full-size items. All the details will be in the description. If you want to get you a monthly subscription delivered right to your door, go look in the description. So let's just jump into it. So they package it with some protection. You get your card and then the products. The theme of this BoxyCharm for February is Be My Glamatine. So I guess they're like playing on Galentine or Valentines, and it's glam, G-L-A-M. So that's so cute, right? So the first thing we have is from Ace Beauty. It is a Glow Essential Highlighter Palette. Let's check it out. So it's got the pretty packaging. So here is the inner packaging. We're just going to open it up. Oh my word. Look how pretty. It comes with a mirror and it opens up like this. We have icy, glowing, popping, beaming, gleaming, and radiant. So I'm just going to grab my little brush and I'm going to put on some radiant. I love me some glow. Oh, look at that. The lighting is better on this side and you can tell it so much more. I love it. Highlight, these look like they're going to be a great highlight. Ace Beauty is a brand that is pretty good standard for quality, so I will be enjoying this. So this retails for $40. Next thing we have is from OPV Beauty, and it's a loose setting powder. So here's the packaging. I think that we've got a golden glow going on in these products. So for me, a good setting powder has no odor or has a very good odor. I don't smell anything, so we're good. It seems like it's a very soft texture. There is like on my finger. So I'll have to give that a try. I've never used OPV Beauty setting powder before. I don't know a lot about the brand, but I'll read you what the card says. Perfect for setting your foundation or wearing alone. Whether you rely on setting powder to mattify, set, or conceal or diffuse, this formula acts as a finishing touch to bring your whole look together. So I love that. This retails for $22. Next product we have is from Enzo. I'm not sure how to say that. Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. The primer is perfect. Tone Up Primer. It has a lot of detail writing on the box, and it is all these good things on the side. So this is what the product looks like, and let me read it to you what the card says. This primer is the perfect first step to achieving a superfood glow, infused with 8 super-powered skin-loving ingredients to help minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. The lightweight satin sheen formula creates an invisible skin-perfecting finish. So I went in recently and changed some of my settings on my Boxy box, and I hope to get a lot more of the wrinkle covering, you know, deep pore setting type things in my boxes because I need them. This Enzo Tone Up Priming Essential Glow retails for $35. A multitasker 4-in-1. It is a brush. I love a good brush. It's a 4-in-1. This is a sponge, a blush. Then you open it up and it is a brow and eyeshadow brush. Or, you know, whatever you want to use it for, but that's what it's technically for. And then you just snap it back together like this, and you have a perfect little 4-in-1. That is so cute. Alleyloop. Multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. An award-winning multitasker brush combined with the 4 most essential makeup applicators, including a sponge, blush, brow, and eyeshadow brush. The compact game changer is all you need for a full face on the go or at home. Each is made of premium synthetic fibers. So that is a really cool tool to have. And the 5th and final thing is from Bali Balm. It's Pineapple Lip Scrub. So here's the product. Let's open it up. Ooh. Oh, it smells just like pineapple. It smells really, really good. This rich, indulgent sugar scrub is packed with juicy pineapple fragrance and exfoliating sugarcane crystals to gently buff and polish away dead skin cells, plus an ultra smoothing blend of the finest botanicals. This super hydrating coconut oil and aromatic mix of cinnamon, orange, and vanilla essence oils will leave your lips soft and supple. Why does that word make me laugh? Okay, anyway, this retails for $23. That is the conclusion of this BoxyCharm. You get a total of $209 worth of products in this box this month. This box goes for $27.99 a month. Can you do that math in your head of how much money you are saving to order Boxy base box? I mean, it's a steal. So I'm in love with BoxyCharm. I'll admit it, we have a love affair. Thank you, BoxyCharm, for gifting me this base box this month. It was a treasure, and I am excited to have it and use it and tell other people about it. So go check the description for all the links that you need or all the information, and it'll all be there. Thanks again for watching. Be your own beautiful. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you would like to be updated on my new content. And this being Valentine's, I just want to send out a special extra little love for all my viewers. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate BoxyCharm for gifting me. I have such a good life, and I just want to give everybody love that does or doesn't have a Valentine. I will be your Valentine, and I'm telling you I love you, and enjoy your month of February.